Yes, you can get a .eu.cc domain for free and it take only a few minutes. If you want to free domain for your website portfolio or testing project, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get free .eu.cc domain step by step. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I had already created an account and registered one domain for testing purpose. Here you can see domain name and registration date and expiration date also. So in this video I'll show you step by step every process. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Let's start. First of all, I will give this link in this video description and in WhatsApp channel and group Telegram channel also. Just visit this link, and after visit this link, search here your desired domain URL. Then click on this registration. Here you can see login with your name. You can also for quick scan, quick login, you can also use Google, Facebook, Twitter or GitHub or Apple. Simply paste here your email address. Then click on this send code. Just slide to right to verify captcha. Here you can see an emails. Let's check our email address to get OTP. Again slide this captcha. Click on this confirm. Here you can successfully claimed 3 full discount .eu.cc registration voucher. Click on next step. Again slide to right. Don't worry, here you can see $1.88. It will be automatically $0. You don't need to add your credit card, debit card or payment detail. Simply click on this add to cart. Here you can see submitted. Now go to our cart section. Then select domain. Click on this submit button and apply this. Click on this pay now. Now we need to type here your email address. Here you can see 1.88 cent, but total due is $0. So you don't need to add your card detail or payment method or anything. There is no need to payment. You will get a free domain for your portfolio or testing project or anything. After fill your information, click on this submit button. Again confirm this. Click on this payment confirmation. Here you can see registration submitted successfully. Please wait for system processing. A temporary hold for $0 has been placed on your account. You need to wait few minutes. Click on this manage domain. You can also gname one-to-one efficient service. You can also fill this or simply ignore this. Here you can see already Vivas same domain name. Let me zoom. Registration date, and our domain has been registered. Here you can also see expiration date and registration date. So by this way you will get a free domain. And to change DNS, here you can see domain DNS default. You can edit this after clicking on manage. Here you can see the domain URL Vikas Malik test, and expired in 365 days. Let me show you email address, account created email. This is just a spam email, promotional email. So by this way you will get a free domain. And please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will create another video how to get free hosting also. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vikas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.